If you have an active TikTok Ads Manager account, here is your opportunity to earn urgent $10 free ad credit from TikTok. $10 is like 13,000 naira in Nigeria. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so once you are on your ad account, you'll see this notification if your account is qualified. So here it reads, build a future of TikTok measurement and earn $10. Okay. Then if you read down here, you see that the duration is 20 days. And this is for the first 5,000 respondents, right? So we have got to answer just two questions, this and this, okay? So simply, I've read this, but you can read it through. It said, when setting and allocating your ad budget, which primary metrics does your team rely on most? For me, is this, that's return on ad spend, okay? Then the next question, when it comes down to making that final budget decision, which category of tools or dashboard does your team ultimately rely on? It's a multiple choices, so you can choose more than one option, okay? But for me, I want to just take TikTok Ads Manager and then click on submit. These people are funny. They are telling me thank you for your feedback. I beg, what we need is the $10, okay? Anyway, to check if they have given you the $10, you just click on tools or hover on tools, then go to your payments area, okay? Remember they told us within 20 days, so it might not have happened yet, okay? But we can expect it within 20 days, okay? But let's see what happens here. All right, so these are payment area, and this is where we see the amount we added. This is the money we already have in the account, okay? If you want to check your promotion or any benefits they gave you, that's ad credit they gave you, you just come here under promotions, okay? That's where to check ad credit from. Click promotions. You will know whether you have an ad credit. Okay, so as it stands now, we've not gotten any yet. So once they give us, it will appear somewhere here. All right, so you can as well see your ad credit that have expired. This one is not available again, but it's 0 here. Earning, you can see it here. So they have 3 status for ad credit. It's either available, that means you can use it now, or the one you earned. So if they give us this one now, we end it, right? Or is no longer available, maybe has expired. So these are the 3 status for ad credit. So maybe I will see update us when they credit this account with the $10. Okay, so that's it all for this video. So go do it now, check if your account is qualified, and then apply for the $10. You might just use it to run 1 or 2 ads that will convert for you. All right, now if you have not gotten our training, TikTok Ads Made Easy, this is the right time to do so. Check the first link in the description of this video and get into the class. If this is your first time on this channel, or you've been here but you've not subscribed to this channel, this is Profit Leverage Ad, and here we share on social media ads, especially TikTok ads. Okay, so you learn everything about TikTok ad here. If you have questions, drop it in the comments, okay, or you reach out to me. But reaching out to me, just know that it might not be free, right? Except you're already my student, then every answer I'm giving you, every support I'm giving you will be free based on the fact that you're already part of my community, paid community as it were. Okay, so subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next interesting updates.